The building was only a concrete skeleton already built and purchased by the owner, with an ambition to live in a luxurious modern palace overlooking the stunning views of the Kattameya Dunes Golf Course. The facility consists of 2 floors, each 1,000 square meters. Where the ground floor is connected with the lower garden and encloses the formal salons and reception areas. The 2 floors are connected with a panoramic elevator and a light floating stairway resting on the steel/glass bridge traveling through the inner skylit atrium, planted and providing life and light to the whole interior. Formal living and dining hall with 9M dining table and 28 chairs, an office and service quarter including hard kitchen and servants' rooms. The interior is an elegant modern look in a combination of imported marble flooring/claddings, wooden wall covering and solid wood floors in family private areas with a focus on luxury and elegance, and reflection of the designer's artistic background and the owner's appreciation for good artwork. One royal master suite with his and her dressings, an open-plan master bath, together with a family hall overlooking the golf course, a private spa, and a family dining/kitchen. The first floor, connected to the upper larger garden with a private pool/semi-outdoor gym, and a family pool. The floor includes 6 master suites. The exterior design language reveals the designer's approach towards a contemporary modern feel, with bold design lines and strong finishing materials, mainly Italian/Iranian grey travertine marble and Indian shiny silver slates. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.